Carpet cleaning is a great business. Doesn't mean it's easy to get customers for it though. And that's why in this video, I'm going to share what I've learned over 15 years of helping local businesses attract more local customers to help you get your first 100 customers for your carpet cleaning business. I'm going to share proven techniques from working with 2,000 independent local businesses on how to drive traffic and attract customers from their local market. I'm going to share that with you today, even if your business is brand new, even if you have no marketing experience, even if your business has been around and you're just trying to figure out ways to get more customers right now. We're going to break it down, make it simple and easy so anyone can follow. It's not going to break the bank. It's just going to be the principles that are going to help you get this done. But first, why is this so important? Because most businesses that go out of business, they literally have customers dry up and it hurts their cash flow and their expenses and it sends them into bankruptcy. We don't want that to happen to you. And the reason that some businesses don't have this happen is because they understand a proven system for attracting customers for their business. If you can make that work for you and you understand, here's what I need to do on a regular basis and here are the principles that guide my business to getting customers and a steady flow of customers, you're not going to have to worry about that problem. So let's break it down and jump right into this. As a local small business owner, you can acquire your first 100 customers in the carpet cleaning industry. This might seem like a daunting task, but here are the right steps to make it achievable for you. In fact, it's going to help your business bloom. So let's jump right in. All right, first things first, who needs your service? In our case, it's anyone with a carpet. That could be homeowners, office buildings, hotels, and more. Think about who is most likely to need regular carpet cleanings and target them. And think about what exactly your unique offer is to them. Why are you the best carpet cleaning business? Why should they choose you? And remember, not everyone is your customer. That's okay. Focus on those who truly need it, who are most likely to buy from you on a repeat basis, and then figure out what exactly would make it so that they choose you over anybody else on a regular basis. Number two, craft your offer. What makes your carpet cleaning service special? Maybe it's your eco-friendly products, your state-of-the-art cleaning technology. Is it your unbeatable prices? Identify what sets you apart and make sure people know about it. This is what we call your unique selling proposition, or USP. Having a strong USP will make people choose you over competitors. Next, set up your online presence, right? If you're not online, you're invisible. Create a simple, clean website that highlights your services, some before and after photos, and how to contact you. Don't forget social media. Facebook, Instagram, even LinkedIn can be great tools to connect with potential customers. All you have to do is show off your work, share customer testimonials, and engage with your community. I put the link below to Mighty Sites for a $9 a month simple professional website for a carpet cleaning business. Next up, launching a referral program. Word of mouth is powerful. Encourage your happy customers to spread the word. Maybe offer them a discount on their next cleaning for every new customer they refer. People trust recommendations from friends and family more than any advertisement. Next up, start partnering with other local businesses. This is where you get creative. Partner with local businesses that complement your service. Think about real estate agents, home staging companies, or even local coffee shops where you could leave your flyers. You could offer exclusive deals for their clients or collaborate on a joint kind of marketing effort, joint flyer, something like that. It's all about building relationships and having strategic partners who can refer clients to you. Next, don't be afraid to reach out directly. This can be through door-to-door flyers, attending local events, or even cold calling potential commercial clients. The key is to be friendly and professional and not too pushy. Make sure your materials clearly explain how your service can benefit them specifically, right? Remember that USP, your unique selling proposition? Promote that there along with an irresistible offer to the right person, and it's going to be a gold mine. All right, and who doesn't love a good deal? Offer discounts for first-time customers or create a limited-time package deal. This creates a sense of urgency that can encourage people to try out your service, and once they see the quality of your work, they're more likely to become regular customers. And after each job, follow up with your customers. Thank them for their business and ask for feedback. This shows that you care and are committed to improvement. Positive feedback can be shared as testimonials, and constructive criticism can help you refine your service for the next time. Getting your first 100 customers will require some effort, persistence, and a bit of creativity. But remember, every satisfied customer is a step towards the success of your carpet cleaning business. So stay focused, be patient, and keep refining your approach based on what works and what doesn't. Thanks so much for joining me today. Hit that like and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video where we share how to create more visibility for your local business. Talk to you soon.